Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this huge 96-inch sectional sofa that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say, this is my neighbor's house. I have a bigger one, so I don't have too much room to put this one. And what we did is I actually gave this one to her, and I told her, like, hey, here are the boxes. I'm gonna help you at some point, whatever. She did everything by herself. She did everything alone, and it took her like about 40 minutes, no more than that. So that is really cool, just for you to know that this it comes in 3 boxes, not one, not two, but 3 boxes. So remember to wait for every single box. And then once you have everything, just laid out every part. Just make sure that you have every single part, and it's gonna take you about, if you want to be extra slow and put some music, it will take you about an hour. Just spare 60 minutes of your time just to assemble this one, and then you will be all set. This one, it is 60 inches. You have all the facing sides. If you want, you have the one on the left, you have the one on the right. But this one is 96 inches wide, and the longest part is about 60 inches. So I'm gonna say that, for example, I'm 5'10", and you can see I can sit perfectly here. I'm really comfy. This is kind of like be the lounge area to watch TV or something like that. Or if you want one of those, like I don't know, like trays that you can put on the side, you can have drinks and snacks and eat. But I gotta say that this one, it's a good one. Let's take a closer look. So one thing that I would say is that this is how it comes in the package, but this is not how it will stay. If you want, you can steam this part right over here, this fabric, you can steam it. And with this one, you can make sure that this one looks better. But that's how it comes in the package. So take some time, extra time, and steam it if you want, and you're gonna solve this kind of like wrinkles. The other thing that I like is that this one right here is gonna be really firm. You can see how thick this one is, how thick this corduroy fabric with the cushion is. So it's gonna be really firm right here. Up to 3 people, I wanna say. You can fit 4, but comfortably 3 people will be enough. And then right here, again, super firm, but right here, really cushioned. So that's gonna be a best thing to do for just like lay down and relax and have some really nice binge watching TV shows or movies. And also comes with these 2 pillows that are kind of like a mix in between the firm and the cushion. So having this one will be really cool. All corduroy in beige color, but you have some other colors as well. And then you'll have a thick, very thick, and also cushion armrest. Both of them are gonna be like wide. So this one's gonna be really good just to rest your arms. But the best thing is gonna be this lounge area over here. I gotta say that this one, it is really comfy. Like this part over here, this section, just to watch TV or just to read some books or just scroll on your phone or devices or something like that. This one's gonna be really cool. So I do like this one. I think that if you have a big living room that you can spare 96 inches by 60 long, this one could be one of those good ones that you can fit for your entire family, or just like putting in your entertaining area or just the living room. I like it. It's comfy, easy to assemble, and it looks fantastic.